Hey, it's Bruce with an individual question explainer for Test 3, Section 4, problem number 23. Classic sine-cosine problem. So we see this clue. Anytime we see on this test, as a trained test taker, you are expected to understand what this means when they say sine of A equals cosine of B. So right now, get this memorized. You can check out our quick hits, but just to be specific to this problem, if they say sine of A equals cosine of B, you must remember that that means that these two values add up to 90. Here's why. I've illustrated that situation right here in a right triangle. The sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that would be this value over this value. Now what's the cosine of B? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So that would be, what's adjacent to B? This value over this value. Notice I just illustrated the exact same fraction, right? So that's why sine of A equals cosine of B. Whenever they say that, you know that they are angles within the same right triangle and they add up to 90. So that's all they're asking for here. We know that A and B add up to 90. So once they give us a definition for A as 4k minus 22 and B as 6k minus 13, we know that we just add them up and set them equal to 90. I'm going to do some quick solving on my calc because that's how we do on the calc section. 90 plus 22 plus 13 is going to be 125. 4k plus 6k is 10k. And when we divide that out, we're going to get that k equals 12.5. So a problem like this will show up later in the section. This is answer choice C, by the way. A problem like this will show up later in the section, but if you simply remember this fact, when they tell you that the sine of A equals the cosine of B, they're telling you, hey, add these up and set them equal to 90 every single time. There you go. We just did it. Enjoy.